See here now students, question number 3. Write in a place value table and then as a decimal number. In example I have shown you already how to do it. Okay. Now see, these are the numbers. We have to write it in the place value table and at the last we have to write the decimal form of it. Now see, 8 upon 10, that means 8 is at which place? 10th place. Okay. Where? Here. 8 is there at 10th place. And 3 upon 100, that is 3 is there at which place? 100th place. Correct? And does it have any whole number? Nothing is there. That means here 0. Okay? So what is the, how to write it in decimal form? 0.83. Here also 0 is there. But write 0.830. No use. Only 1 0 is enough. So 0.83. Correct? Next. Now see, 4. Whole number is there. But what is at which place? Ones place. 4 is there. No? That means units place it is there. Ones means units. So 4. Then 1 is there at which place? 10th place. So here point. 1 is at 10th place. 2 is at 100th place. 2 upon 100 means 2 is there at 100th place. And 3 upon 1000 means 3 is there at 1000th place. Correct? So how to write decimal form? 4.123. Okay. Next. Now see, 38 means 3 is at 10th place. 30. 3 tens, 8 units. That is, see here how to write 38 point. 8 upon 10, that is 8 is at 10th place. Then 4 upon 100, that is 4 is at 100th place. And 9 upon 1000 means 9 is there at 1000th place. Correct? So what is the decimal form of it? 38.849. Next, 232. This is the whole number. 200, that is 2 is at 100th place, 3 is at 10th place, and 2 is at units place. Here decimal point. 7 upon 100, that is 7 is there at 100th place, means 10th place nothing is there, 0. And 8 upon 1000 means 8 is there at 1000th place. Correct? So how to write it in decimal form? 232.078. This is the decimal form. So when the numbers are given in this form and if they ask you to write, to show in the place value table and to write in decimal number, we have to do like this. Okay. Now see, question number 4 is again like question number 3. But there the numbers were given in the digit form, means number form, and here it is given in the word forms. Otherwise, other pattern is same. Okay. See, write in a place value table and then as a decimal number. 8 tenth, only 8 tenth. That means 8 is there at 10th place. Here 0. So how to write it in decimal form? 0.8. Only 8 tenth, that is 0.8. 3000. That means 3 is there at which place? 1000th place. Other nothing is there. Means 10th place nothing is there. Here nothing is there. Decimal here nothing is there. So how to write it in the decimal form? 0.003. Okay. Next. 7 tens. That is 7 is there in which column? Tens column. Okay. 7 tens. And 8 tenth. 8 is there in 10th column. Here units plus nothing is there, so 0. So how to write in the decimal form? 70.8. 7 tenth means 70 and 8 tenth means 0.8, that is 0.8. Now next, 9 thousands means 9 is there in which column? Thousands. And 2000. And 2 is there in 1000 column. Okay. Now see, here nothing is there, so you will have to put 0. Point. Then here also nothing, so put 0. So how to write in decimal form? 9,000.002. Okay, 9,000.002. Now here 2 hundreds, 9 ones. 2 is there at 100 place, and 9 ones means in unit column 9. Here nothing is there, so 0. And 400. 4 is there in hundreds place. So here nothing is there, in decimal. So how to write? 209.04. Okay. How to write this? 209.04. Now, next 8 thousands means 8 is there in thousands place. 4 tenth. See here, direct 4 is there in 10th place. That is 4 is there in 10th place. And 2000. Directly 2 is there at 1000 means 100 place nothing is there, so 0. And after 8 also nothing is there, so 0. So how to write it in decimal form? 8,000.402. 40. Okay, in this way we have. Question number 5. Express the following in expanded form. Okay, now expanded form means place values we have to write with addition sign. Now 5. 5 is there at which place? Ones or units. So 5 into 1 plus 4 is there at, see after decimal first place is 10th place. That is 4 into 1 upon 10. Correct? So you can write it as this 5 plus 5 ones are 5 and 4 ones are 4 upon 10. Okay? In this way also you can write this, or 5 ones are 5 you can do, no problem. Now see, this 1 is, now this is 1's place, this is 10's place. So 1 is there at 10's place, that is 1 tens are 10. Plus 4 is there at 1's place, that is 4 into 1. Plus 9 is there at 10th place, that is 9 and 1 upon 10. 9 into 1 upon 10. So how to write 10 plus 4 ones are 4 plus 9 ones are 9 upon 10. Okay? Or you can write like this also, no problem. Students, if you are writing up till here, okay. Okay? No need to write this. If you are not writing, then also okay. And if you are writing, then also okay. Now this see, 2 is there at 1's place, that is multiplied by 1. Correct? Plus 10 plus 0, so 0 into 1 upon 10, that is 0 into. Plus 3 is there at which place? 100, that is 3 into 1 upon 100. Correct? Now I have, as place was not there, I have written it down, but you write continuously. How we have written here, I have written in the same way. Now here 2 is there at 1's place, so 2 ones are 2. Plus 2 is there at 10th place, 2 into 1 upon 10. Plus 6 is there at 100, so 6 into 1 upon 100. Plus 4 is there at 1000, that is 4 into 1 upon 1000. This is the expanded form. Okay. Here 1 into 1 plus 3 is there at which place? 1 upon 10. 10th place, so multiplied by 1 upon 10. 0 is at which place? 1 upon, it is at 100th place. If you will not show, then also okay, because 0 multiplied with any number gives answer 0. But I have shown here 0 into 1 upon 100. Plus 8 is there at which place? 1000. That is multiplied by 1 upon 1000. Okay. Now see, 6th one. 3 is at 1's place, so 3 into 1 plus. This you can write 0, 0. No need to write. Okay. Now 2 is there at which place? 10, 100, 1000. That is 2 multiplied by 1 upon 1000. Okay. Question number 6. not there. Directly 9 is at which place? 1000. So 10, 100 place 0, 0, 0 and 9 is at 1000 place. Here also whole part is not there, so 0 point. 10th place is not there. Upon 10 it is not there, so 0. 100 place 3 is there and 1000 place 5 is there. Okay. Next, whole part nothing is there, so 0 point. Now see 10 place 5, 100 place 6 and 1000 place 8. So 0.568. Okay. Next, here see whole part is not there, so 0 point. 10th place is not there, 100th place is not there, so that writes 0, 0. Direct 1000 place 2 is there and 10,000 place 3 is there, so 0.0023. Here, see whole number is not there, so 0. Now see 1 upon 10 where is it seen? No. So 10th place is 0, 100 place 9 and 1000 place 4. Okay. Next, 7,000. 7 into 1000, that is 7,000. So whole number is there. Point. 3 upon 10 is 3 is there at 10th place. 100 place nothing, so 0 you have to mention and 1000 place 2. Okay. In this way we have to write in the decimal form. Convert question number 7. Convert the following to decimal form. Okay. Now they have given in word form, we have to convert it into decimal form. 17 and means 17 whole number and decimal 465,000. 465,000. Okay, that is 17.465,000. Okay. Next, 12 and 96,000. That is 12.96,000. So 10th place nothing is there. Direct 96. 6 is there at 1000 place and 9 is there at 10th place 0. So 12.096. Third one see 5 and that is 5.694,000. 694,000. Okay. Next, 4 and that is 4.2200. 10th place nothing is there. Direct 4 and 2200. So that is 2 is there. This at 100 place, no? And this is 10. That is total how many 100? 2200 things become. That is 4.22. Now next, 900s. Take 8 tens. Now see here 900, 8 tens, unit place nothing, so 0. And that is decimal point. 34,000. That is 10 plus 0 and 34,000. Got it? Next, 36 ones means total 36 and is decimal point. 4,200. That is 42. 2 should be there at 100 place and before that 4, that is 4 will be at 10th place. So 36.42 hundreds. Okay, 36.42.